Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like it. So yeah, today's video is about a vlog which I had which I made with my cousins. My cousins are very tiny cousins, like 12 years, 10 years. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. I just took them out just for a weekend. We had a great weekend this time. It's like nearby, a very budget friendly weekend we had. So without any further ado, let's get started. Avoid my pimple. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so first we moved out of our house and we went downstairs because we live upstairs. Like we live in a building, like first floor. Yeah. So we walked to the roadside and we got our cab, and these are my cousins. And after 10 to 15 minutes we reached there, Minishi Shore, Washi. I'll link the location and I'll give everything in the description. Do check it out. So we went in a Uber. We booked a cab. So this is my cousin. Yeah, these are my cousins, and my daughter is with us too. My cousin is holding her. So yeah, after reaching here, this was the condition. Like it was some 6 o'clock, I guess. Yeah, so we moved out of a cab. Okay, after reaching there, we realized that there were many people because that is a picnic spot, a evening spot for everyone to walk and have some good time with family and friends. So yeah, we were there too, and we were quite late. If you're going there, go early. So yeah, we walked upstairs and we found many many stuff to eat. There were pani puri and we rushed to pani puri. Gola and everything was there. You can have a good food over there, your street food. So yeah, we had a pani puri. It was really very spicy. We said for a medium one, but yet it was very spicy. So these two are my cousins too. Yeah. Okay, so this is the plate, pani puri plate. So this is the dish we received from there, and we'll eat in this. And my Leah baby, my daughter, is with my cousin. He's holding her because I'm making video, right? Okay, this is the pani puri I was talking about. This was very spicy, and yeah, it was really good. So after having pani puri, because it was very spicy, we had this gola. It was really very refreshing. Okay, now after having pani puri and gola, we are going downstairs again. So yeah, these are my cousins. I'm just showing their faces, and now we are going downstairs. By the time it's dark all over. Okay, so these are the YOLO bikes and cycles. We went for the bikes because cycle, we have that cycle. Like we have rided cycle many times. So we went for YOLO bike. We have to download their app. There's a specific app which we have to download and pay. I was worried at first, but then it was really easy. Like it's easier than scooty and stuff. Like I was not falling down, even I was riding very badly, but yet it was really good experience. After riding YOLO bike, we went for horse ride. This is that cutie pie horse. We were touching it continuously until that owner scolded us. So yeah, that owner scolded us at last because my cousins was. It was actually like a expo, which we call Mela type in Mumbai. It was not possible for me to give a voiceover because there was lots of traffic, noise and everything. I can't give voiceover from there. That's the reason I'm adding my voiceover right now. Okay, so the horse ride was for 15 minutes. Like if you're going along children's, then this is the best place to visit. You'll get a good horse ride, there's a good place for eating and stuff. Like there is all street foods available over there, and there's this horse ride, hula ride, street food, whatnot, and there's a train also, like a mini train, but that was not available because we were late. If you're going there, go early, like evening time. By the time we went over there, it was night. So now we are done with horse ride and we are moving out, and from here we are booking a cab. We got into a cab and then we are going to sector 9 for having some food. Kids wanted to go to washroom, so we are going to sector 9 where there is restaurants and stuff. We are going to Shabri. This is the Shabri Hotel, and there's a whole market over there. Like everything you'll find at very cheap prices. These are the t-shirts. You'll get these t-shirts in 150 or something. Then we went to that particular hotel and we used their washroom, and yeah, we actually went for washrooms, so their washroom was really good. So after everyone was freshen up, so now we ordered a good tea. This is the washroom. I recorded even that. So that side was the washroom and we had a seat over there only. Then we ordered tea and coffee. Okay, so we got our coffee and tea. This is the way I am drinking tea. We enjoyed our coffee and tea. After having tea, we moved out of that Shabri hotel and we wanted to eat some Chinese, like really good Chinese food. So we went to this particular hotel and it was really a very good experience because I asked my cousins that do you guys want a good place or good food. They decided good food. So yeah, I brought them here. Yeah, after that I just got this lassi from outside for myself only because I wanted to taste this. We enjoyed Chinese food from there. It was really good. It was very tasty, and Leah had only egg. She only eat egg. That's the reason I just feeded her egg, and after finishing our food we went out. Okay, this was the place from where I got lassi for myself. Okay, so from here tragedy begins. We just took a rickshaw from there because my cousins wanted to travel in train because due to lockdown we couldn't travel. So yeah, after coming to Mumbai, I wanted to travel in train. We asked the auto driver whether we can travel or not. So he said that we can travel. So we went in that particular auto, and this is Vashi. This is Diwali time, so everyone have lightened up their windows and this is looking so pretty. Avoid my voice because I'm having cold. That is the reason my voice is like this. Okay, so we are out of this auto and we are walking inside this station for train, but first we will go to take ticket. Okay, so we didn't got the ticket because double vaccine is compulsory and we don't. Okay, so what happened, like we are not eligible to travel by train as we all have only we are done with only one vaccination, so 2 vaccination is compulsory to travel in train. So yeah, we are going back. We have decided to go through bus. So yeah, we are waiting for bus. Let's see if we can travel through this. हाँ, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग रेलवे स्टेशन में आए, बट रेलवे स्टेशन से ट्रेन नहीं पकड़े बिकॉज टिकट नहीं निकाल सकते, बिना टिकट के ट्रेन में जा नहीं सकते, तो मतलब वी आर पिस्ड ऑफ। ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, बस का वेट कर रहे थे, तो मालूम पड़ा कि बस भी यहाँ से नहीं मिलेगी, तो बस हम लोग को हाईवे पे जाके बस लेना पड़ेगा। तो हम लोग ने सोचा कि हम लोग जैसे आए थे वैसे ही जाएंगे, विल गो फ्रॉम उबर ओनली। ठीक है, तो अभी फ़िलहाल थोड़ा सा दिमाग शांत करने के लिए हम लोग फालूदा पी रहे, आइसक्रीम खा रहे। तो या कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
सो या पूरा लाइक एवरीथिंग इज मेस्ड अप, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज रॉन्ग, बट इट्स बीन एजेस वाशी आकर, सो ऐसा तो होना ही था। आई वॉज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस। तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारी खाने की चीज़ें हैं। हम लोग ने यहाँ से फालूदा लिया, बच्चे लोग ने सब ने आइसक्रीम खाए यहाँ से। ठीक है, बच्चे लोग ने आइसक्रीम खाए, मैंने फालूदा लिया, और ये फर्स्ट टाइम है मैं बच्चों के साथ में अकेले आ रही हूँ। यहाँ पे भी यूलू है एक। तो अभी हम लोग मतलब मैं ये खाऊंगी, मेरी आवाज़ ऑलमोस्ट नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी है, बट आई वॉन्ट टू ईट। मैं तो मैं आती ही हूँ खाने के लिए। तो मेरी बहुत मजाक उड़ा रहा है यूट्यूबर बोल के, बट मेरे को ये व्लॉग बनाना था एज अ मेमोरी। बाय। लिया बहुत मस्ती कर रही है, और लियू को पूरा टाइम उठा रहा था हम लोग का फादू। मेरे को बहुत हेल्प किया उसने लिया को संभालने में, और जब हम लोग आए थे तब लिया सो रही थी। ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग बैक। चलो बैठो। We had a great time and we really enjoyed. That's what matters. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.